Miss Seema. Pleasure
Hi,
to be speaking with you
very
on
nice to be here.
BWHR Excellence
Yes.
Awards. Seema, clearly need your views on what are the kind of skills that are going to be booming, what are certain jobs that you think are going to be on rise for youngsters still. We have so many youngsters and, we have initiatives wherein a lot of upskilling and reskilling is going around the market. So what, in your view, are certain skills that are going to boom and certain job segments that youngsters should eye on?
Yeah. So I think as we think about technology and analytics and the way that entire industry is booming rapidly, and I think it's prevalent across all the industry sectors, some of the skills of focus right now as well as for the future are certainly full stack engineering. We're really looking at data science, artificial intelligence. I think the whole analytics space where the focus on predictive analytics and the ability to predict trends that are going to be coming in terms of customer and market trends are very, very important. So, taking advantage of a number of learning platforms where skills are fairly democratized right now, you can really learn those skills on the job, but you can also, think of learning pathways in a number of these skill sets across the full stack engineering. So today, I think it's all about how do you understand the entire software development life cycle, the entire data analytics, data science, and predictive life cycle. And those are the skills that are going to be very prevalent, but also very important to upskill on.
Seema, since you belong from a financial industry,
Yeah.
let's say if a youngster is preparing to get into a financial segment, so in your view, what are the kind of courses or skills that as newbies they should adapt themselves with so that they get hired better in a
Yeah.
financial sector?
I think that's a great question. So we focus on two things. One is like the T-shaped learning, which is the breadth of financial services and retirement services. So I would say, skills in this particular industry would include
Okay.
all the basics of financial services, mutual funds, different asset classes. How do you, kind of sell some of these products to the market? So both the distribution and the manufacturing channels. And then the second thing is, as I call it, the breadth of the breadth and the depth of it is certain technology, operations, analytics, corporate services skills, right? Risk and risk management, compliance, legal. Those are some of the corporate skills. So whichever function you're joining, it needs to be the T-shaped learning, which is the breadth of financial services and retirement services, and then the depth, which is the specific skill that you will apply in that industry.
Thank you so much, Seema. I'm sure youngsters who are prepping themselves to get into financial segment would hear your, suggestion onto it, and they will upskill themselves in the required segments that you've recently spoken on. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.